Okay, number 8. The legs of an isosceles right triangle each measure 4. What is the length of the hypotenuse? Okay, let's go ahead and get you a isosceles right triangle drawn. What that means is that two sides are equal, and isosceles right means that we have a right angle. So the two sides that form the right angle are your legs that are equal in length of 4. Okay, and we're asked to find the hypotenuse. I'm going to put an X here, and when you know you have congruent sides, then opposite angles of those sides are also equal. So you would have base angles that are also 45. Okay, and if you could use either one of those angles, either one of these two acute angles will work. So if I use this one, let's just start naming the sides. We already know this is hypotenuse, right? Opposite the 90. From this angle, this would be opposite. And remember, the two sides that form the acute angle, one is hypotenuse and one is adjacent. Okay, I need you to determine what trig function to use. Finish that problem up.